welcome to my channel. This is Shubha DK and today I'm reviewing Samsung Level U Bluetooth stereo headset. So let's get started. So very first thing, in case you're very new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I have earlier reviewed the Boat Air Dupes, which is model FreeSoul Z511 in one of my video. Basically, you can check out even this. This is a pure wireless headset. One of the good option that you can actually go for in 5,000 to 7,000 range. So I'll put the link in the description box. You can definitely check out even this particular review. And so basically, I'm using the Samsung Level U for past 2 years and the Boat ear dupes for past 1 year. Also, I'll be actually reviewing AirPods Generation 2 in my upcoming videos. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Starting with the very first thing, the unboxing. So very first point, I am actually buying Samsung Level U for the second time. This is the second Samsung Level U that I'm using. There are a few drawbacks and there are a lot of plus. I would say there are more of plus than minus, and that's why I actually brought the Samsung Level U the second time. It comes in a box like this, and there are two shades here, black sapphire, and the first one I brought was a black sapphire, which looks almost like a navy blue, and this is the gold one. So there are two options and two colors in this Samsung Level U. That is the very first thing. So what and all you get in the box? You get the Samsung Level U headset, followed by there will be some extra set of earbuds, and I don't remember whether manual came in this or not because currently I don't see it, which means either I might have lost it or it did not come. So it's not possible. So basically you get four set of earbuds here, four variety of earbuds. Nothing more in the packaging that you get actually, and there are some details in the back side of the. There is a list of feature details and followed by a few other details with respect to how to use the buttons in the how to use the buttons in the headset. So a few details about that, volume up and down and other. Also, Samsung Level U app is compatible with Samsung mobile devices with Android 4.2.2 version and above or later. Basically, I'm able to use this Samsung Level U in both iPhone 6s and above, and also in my Android device for OnePlus I'm currently using. So let's get started with the features quickly. Yeah, the very first thing is it's using Bluetooth 4.1 technology, so you can listen to your music, you can take answer calls on the go. Talking about other features, if you see the neck design, it's pretty compatible. It's pretty comfortably sits on your neck, and you have this option of there is this magnet. So if you see the neck design, it is pretty lightweight, and there is option for magnet. And so there's a magnet which actually keeps this connected. You don't have to worry about it's gonna fall or something. So that's about the design. Talking about the charge and the battery, how long it lasts. So basically, if you see, you can actually charge it. It actually takes 45 minutes to completely charge. You can use, here is the button. So basically, you can use any of the old Samsung charger for charging Samsung Level U. Talking about the how long the battery lasts, you can use the Samsung Level U once completely charged for 45 minutes. You can use it for almost 11 hours of continuous talking and talking on phone, or you're listening to music. It can last almost for 11 hours if you're using it continuously. Last but not the least, built-in buttons. So there is option for actually forwarding. You can forward, backward, stop, play the music or answer call. It becomes pretty easier with just the headset itself. You can do so many things. So that's one of the plus and also one of the main feature. Let's start with pros and cons. Yeah, starting with the pros, I would say the way it's been designed, it's very difficult to lose it anywhere because you have it right there. It's a big piece. It's not just the earpods. You can end up losing it somewhere. You normally keep the earpods also right inside the box, chargeable box that you get. But then still, it's difficult to lose an item like this than the earbuds. That's one of the plus thing I would say. And of course, as I mentioned, it's pretty easier on the go, on the run. You can actually play, pause, you can stop, forward, backward music, or you can answer calls, which is one of the very I would say one of the plus points. So I'm buying this for the second time. I liked it because it's pretty handy. When I don't want it in my ears, I can just leave it. I don't have to keep it in my ear all the times. Maybe I just don't want to listen to music at one point, and I can just leave them right over there. I don't have to actually put them in the box again. So that's one of the advantage I would say. Talking about few of the negative points, there are very few, and that's why I actually went for it even the second time. So as they say, they have this flexible headset. It's not that pretty flexible, honest. Oh no. Even while okay, so basically this portion which they say is flexible is not really, and this portion always get damaged. I have currently also put a sellotape. I can't believe it. Yeah, so basically I've put sellotape even currently, and even the last headset that I had was in a working condition even towards the end. Only thing that the problem that I had was it started breaking at the edge, and I started putting sellotape even in that case. And so basically when you're actually putting it around your neck, you end up actually stretching it a bit, and that is kind of leading to this issue. So this is something, one of the concern problem area with Samsung Level U, but otherwise I think most of the other things are pretty good with Samsung Level U. Talking about few more things, yeah. So this is sweatproof but not waterproof. That is one thing. One more drawback that I would like to highlight is you will never know how much is the charge left in Samsung Level U. So basically for that you have to install an app. I am going to take you through the app and the app name in general in the Play Store. It's Samsung Level U or something. So basically for checking the charge and few other options that you have in the app is you can increase, decrease volume, and a lot of other options you have. So basically you can use that app for that matter. But in general, you can never get to know how much charge is left in this. So that's one of the biggest drawbacks. Let's check different parts of the Samsung Level U headset and also the features and functionality. So when you see the headphones, they have this magnet in it. That's how they actually stick around together. When you put it around your neck, it is pretty safe. And then you have this button to turn it on and off. Once you turn it on over here, then you can actually go to your Android device and you can turn the Bluetooth on, and that's how it gets connected. The blue light that you see is normally enabled the moment you start charging it, and that indicates it's being charged. And now coming to the, yeah, you can increase the volume and decrease the volume over here, and also this last button can be used for forward and backward the song, and at the same time to take the calls. A single press will take the call. Now here you see uh, the port point from where you can actually charge it. So you can actually charge it using any of the old Samsung phone charger option, and also you can use a power bank to charge it. So it's a universal port. Let's see how you can connect your Samsung Level U Bluetooth device to your Android device. First turn the button in the Samsung Level U on, and then go to your Android device, turn the Bluetooth on. You can go to your Bluetooth setting to check whether the Samsung Level U is active and is displayed or discovered, and you can turn it off and on and check once, and then you can actually see the Samsung Level U. Once successfully connected, you get this powered by option, and then you can actually go back and start listening and enjoying your favorite music, or you can take a call on the go. So one of the app that is Samsung Level is available in the Play Store, with which you can monitor the battery level, the volume up and down, and few other options that you have. The price range, this the first time I got the Black Sapphire for 2399 from Amazon. The second time I got it from my company portal for some points, but basically it came around for 2499. Yes. But the MRP that they actually have written in the beside, I'm sorry, behind the box is 2,999, which is almost 3,000. That's what they have mentioned. For this price range, for the wireless technology that they provide, is actually, I would say, it's totally worth it. But there are a couple of more things that I would like to highlight is when you actually you're doing workout, listening to music and answering call on the go if you're on your scooter, but I would not suggest that. Make sure you're not using your headphones when you're on your scooter, but then yeah. You can always, it's pretty nice in that way. But then when you're in the gym, when you're hitting the gym or you're actually doing some action packed work, in that scenario, I would say it's not a good idea because it actually keeps moving. Even when you're actually um, maybe lying down on your bed and you're texting or answering a call, in that case, also this kind of moves, and there's a high chances that you can actually damage the Samsung Level U, the neck band. So basically, that's one of the biggest drawback. But rest of the things, I think I've highlighted all the features and the plus and minus. So maybe you can take a call whether you'd like to pick go for a Samsung Level U wireless technology from Samsung, but which is not totally wireless. I would say it is wireless, of course, but I call earbuds more like a complete wireless item than this. Any other queries with respect to Samsung Level U or any other headphones that you're actually planning or looking for, which you have come across and you want to know any details with respect to that, do put that in the comment section. I may not have the answer, but I'll definitely check it with my husband because he is a tech lover and he can, so he will be definitely aware. So I will investigate, research, and put it. I will definitely can reply on those. So by this, we are at the end of the video. Hope you liked the video and hope it was useful. Hope you can, this is going to help you to decide whether which headphones you would like to go for or what and all features are there in Samsung Level U. If you like the video, do hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And until my next video, sign out. हरी से क्या बोलते हैं टाइप सी और for 11 hours, you can completely answer, you can use it for 11 hours.